Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to skip the rum and go to gin and make a Negroni. The Negroni is a relatively simple cocktail. It's got three parts. It's got the gin, it's got vermouth, sweet vermouth, and it's got Campari, and it's equal parts. So to make this drink, the first thing I'm going to do is actually add the gin. I'm going to put in 1 ounce of the exhibition gin from Studio to Ceiling. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of Campari. Then 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. And I almost always use Carpano Antica. You can use the vermouth that you like as long as it's sweet. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Add your ice. And stir. Old-fashioned or lowball glass. I'm going to strain the drink into that. Garnish is a twist of orange, and I'm notoriously bad at this, so let's see if we can do it. Oh, that went very well. Look at me. Express, wipe. You can give it a twist and tear it, or you can just drop it in. And there you have it, the Negroni. Drink with good spirits.